Beneath the Earth's surface, nature hides treasures, rough diamonds, raw and untouched, shaped by time and pressure. Their beauty is subtle, marked by unique shapes and ancient origins. To the untrained eye, they seem like simple pebbles, but look closer. Each tells a story of the Earth's fiery heart. True beauty isn't always polished. Sometimes it's most profound in its natural, untamed form. For thousands of years, humanity has been drawn to these extraordinary stones. Long before we learned how to cut and polish them, our ancestors were mesmerized by their incredible hardness and their unusual crystal forms. In ancient civilizations, rough diamonds were not seen as mere ornaments. They were believed to be tears of the gods, or perhaps fragments of fallen stars that had landed on Earth. They were talismans, imbued with mystical powers, thought to provide strength, courage and protection to those who carried them. This deep-rooted fascination has woven diamonds into the very fabric of our myths, legends and history. The allure of these raw gems has never truly faded, it has simply evolved. Today, collectors and designers are increasingly drawn to their organic, untouched beauty. They celebrate the individuality of each stone, a quality that is sometimes lost in the pursuit of uniform perfection. A rough diamond is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. No two are ever exactly alike. Their shapes can be cubic, octahedral, or a complex combination of forms. Their surfaces can be smooth, etched, or covered in tiny triangular growths known as trigons. This variety is what makes them so endlessly fascinating to study and admire. This enduring appeal stems from a deep human connection to the natural world. In an age of mass production and digital perfection, there is a growing desire for things that are real, tangible and unique. A rough diamond is the very embodiment of this. It is a direct link to the Earth's deep past, a physical remnant of geological processes that took place long before life as we know it existed. Holding one is like holding a piece of eternity, a silent witness to the immense and slow-moving power of our planet. It is a humbling experience, connecting us to a timescale far beyond our own. So, let us begin our exploration. We will journey deep into the Earth to understand where these treasures are born. We will follow them as they travel to the surface, and we will learn to appreciate the subtle clues they offer about their past. This is a story of fire, pressure, and time. It is a story of how the most beautiful things are often forged in the most extreme conditions. Join me as we unveil the secrets of rough diamonds and discover the profound, untold beauty of these raw and magnificent gems, just as nature created them. Rough diamonds aren't random shapes, they're sculpted by the laws of physics and chemistry. Each crystal's form is dictated by its internal atomic blueprint. The classic octahedron, with its 8 faces, is the most common shape, nature's marvel of order and strength. Yet most diamonds are unique, shaped by chaotic forces deep within the Earth. Each one tells its own story. The octahedron is the most iconic rough diamond shape, named from Greek for 8 faces. With perfect symmetry, it forms under stable conditions, each face developing at the same rate. In ancient India, these octahedral stones were treasured as sacred, believed to protect their owners. Look closely and you'll see trigons, tiny triangles marking the diamond's history, like fingerprints. For cutters, the octahedron is a perfect starting point, guiding the transformation from rough crystal to brilliant gem. Nature creates diamonds in many forms, beyond the perfect octahedron. Cubes, dodecahedrons, macles and irregular aggregates each tell a story of growth, change and resilience. Their shapes, from smooth and rounded to flat and twinned, reveal the powerful forces deep within the Earth. Every diamond, no matter its form, is a unique testament to nature's creativity. The surface of a rough diamond is a miniature landscape marked by textures and scars that tell the story of its epic journey from deep within the earth. Striations and etched pits reveal a history of growth and survival shaped by pressure, heat and chemical change. A cloudy skin may hide the gem's true beauty, but every mark is a testament to nature's artistry and the diamond's resilience. To understand a diamond, we must journey to its birthplace, deep within the Earth's mantle, where unimaginable pressure and heat transform simple carbon into the universe's hardest natural substance. Each diamond is a time capsule, formed billions of years ago, connecting us to the planet's ancient past. Holding a rough diamond is holding a survivor, a fragment of Earth's deep, hidden world. For billions of years, diamonds lay trapped deep within the Earth. Their journey to the surface is violent, brought up by rare, explosive eruptions called kimberlite pipes. Magma races upward, carrying diamonds at incredible speed. Only this rapid ascent lets them survive. Today, miners dig deep into these ancient pipes, searching for these rare survivors, each diamond a testament to nature's power and chance. The journey of a diamond spans continents and centuries. From India's ancient riverbeds to Brazil and South Africa's rushes, the global hunt for these gems has shaped history. Today, diamonds are found worldwide, each region giving its stones unique character and story. A diamond's secrets are not only written on its surface, they are also held deep within its crystal structure. Many rough diamonds contain tiny imperfections known as inclusions. These are small crystals of other minerals or even other tiny diamonds that were trapped inside the main crystal as it grew. To a jeweler aiming for a flawless gem, these might be seen as defects. But to a scientist, they are priceless messengers from the Earth's mantle. These inclusions are protected by the incredible strength of the diamond surrounding them, preserving them in a perfect state, unchanged from the time of their formation billions of years ago. By studying these tiny mineral guests, geologists can learn an incredible amount about the conditions in the deep Earth. They can determine the exact pressures and temperatures at which the diamond formed. They can analyze the chemical composition of the mantle in a way that would otherwise be impossible. Some inclusions have even contained traces of water, providing the first direct evidence of a vast water cycle that extends hundreds of kilometers deep into the planet. Each inclusion is a microscopic scientific laboratory, a time capsule that provides a direct window into a world we can never visit. The type, size and shape of these inclusions also tell a story about the diamond's personal history. A cloud of tiny pinpoints might indicate a period of rapid, unstable growth. A larger, well-formed crystal inclusion suggests a slower, more stable formation period. Sometimes, the inclusions create beautiful and unique patterns within the stone. These are known to collectors as picture diamonds or galaxy diamonds, where the inclusions resemble a starry night sky or a floating nebula. In these cases, the inclusions are not flaws, but features that create a unique inner world, transforming the gem into a miniature piece of abstract art. Therefore, when we look into a rough diamond, we should not just look for clarity. We should also look for character. These internal features are the whispers of the diamond's past, the faint echoes of its birth and growth in the planet's fiery heart. They are a fundamental part of its identity, as unique as a human fingerprint. They remind us that perfection can be found not just in flawless purity, but also in a rich and complex history. These secrets within the rough make each stone a unique individual, a storyteller with a tale billions of years in the making, waiting for us to listen. The journey from a rough stone to a dazzling gem is one of nature's most remarkable transformations. It all begins with a decision, Experts study each diamond, mapping its secrets, searching for the best way to unlock its hidden beauty. Today, advanced technology lets planners simulate every cut, ensuring the first incision reveals the stone's true potential. It's a careful, meditative process, a silent conversation between human and stone, unlocking the fire within. The art of diamond planning is both technical and artistic. The planner must see the finished gem within the rough stone, choosing a shape that works with the crystal's natural form. Maximizing yield, preserving as much weight as possible, is key, while also considering clarity and hiding inclusions. This intuitive process, born from years of experience, sets the stage for the transformation from rough to brilliant gem. The transformation begins with the first, most critical cut. Dividing the rough diamond is a moment of high tension. One mistake and the stone could shatter. Traditionally, cleaving exploits the diamond's natural grain. A groove is cut and a single precise blow splits the stone. This method demands deep knowledge of the crystal's structure and nerves of steel. The drama of cleaving is legendary. A single strike can make or break a fortune. Today, sawing is more common. A diamond-dusted blade spins at high speed, slowly grinding through the stone, offering greater control and flexibility. For the most complex cuts, lasers are used. A focused beam vaporizes carbon, slicing with unmatched precision and minimal risk. Each method, cleaving, sawing, or laser, marks a point of no return. The first cut is where the diamond's potential is unlocked, and its journey to brilliance truly begins. It's the moment the stone's destiny is set and the artisan's skill is put to the ultimate test. Every cut is a balance of risk and reward, history and innovation. The rough diamond, unchanged for eons, is forever altered in seconds. This is the first step in releasing the light held captive for billions of years. The transformation is underway, and there's no turning back. The diamond story and its brilliance start here. After the first cut, the diamond is shaped into its basic form, a process called bruting. Traditionally, two diamonds are rubbed together, rounding them into a cone, the precursor to the modern brilliant cut. This creates the girdle, the edge separating the crown from the pavilion, crucial for both beauty and durability. Today, computer-guided lathes and lasers ensure perfect symmetry and precision. The cutter then grinds the main facets on a spinning, diamond-dusted wheel, each angle carefully measured. The largest facets are placed first, defining the stone's character and its ability to handle light. Every move is deliberate, symmetry and proportion are everything. The diamond transforms from a rough crystal to a vessel for brilliance. This stage lays the foundation for the gem's final sparkle. The artistry here is in shaping not just the stone, but the light it will one day unleash. The diamond's true potential is now within reach. Polishing is where the diamond's fire and brilliance are truly revealed. Each facet is refined on a diamond-dusted lap, transforming dull surfaces into mirrors for light. The polisher works with precision. Too much or too little pressure can ruin the stone's symmetry. Every facet, from the largest to the smallest, is polished to perfection. The diamond's inner world comes alive, light bouncing and splitting into a rainbow of colors. It's fire. The angles and polish determine how brilliantly the diamond will shine. The polisher is an architect of light, crafting each surface to direct every ray. When the last facet is finished, the transformation is complete. The rough stone is now a symphony of light and geometry. Billions of years in the making, the diamond's journey from darkness to brilliance is over. Its secrets are revealed, its beauty set free. The diamond is ready to dazzle the world. The diamond's journey brings us to a crossroads, two philosophies of beauty. The rough diamond, raw and untouched, is a testament to nature's power and history. Its beauty is subtle, ancient and mysterious. The polished diamond, by contrast, is a marvel of human artistry, designed to capture and command light. These forms represent two ways of seeing nature's wildness versus human perfection. The rough stone whispers of the earth's story. The polished gem dazzles with brilliance. Choosing between them is like choosing between a wild landscape and a formal garden, each beautiful in its own way. Neither is superior, both offer wonder and satisfaction. The polished gem owes everything to the rough's hidden potential. The rough's value is tied to the promise of what it can become. They are two sides of the same coin, origin and transformation. To truly appreciate diamonds, we must honor both nature's artistry and human skill. Only then do we see the full story of the diamond. A new appreciation for rough diamonds is emerging. Collectors and designers are drawn to their unique shapes, textures, and natural inclusions. Imperfections become features, not flaws. Each stone tells its own story. Rough diamond jewelry is earthy, personal, and always one of a kind. Designers highlight the stone's natural form, creating settings that honor its origins. This style values authenticity and individuality over conformity and sparkle. For collectors, a perfect crystal is a scientific treasure, a piece of natural history. Cutting would erase the very story that makes the stone special. Holding a rough diamond is holding a fragment of deep time, a direct link to Earth's forces. Its beauty is resilience, survival, and authenticity. No amount of polishing can replicate its untamed spirit. The allure of the untouched is a celebration of nature's artistry. Sometimes perfection is simply being as nature made you. The polished diamond's allure is undeniable, a transformation from dull stone to dazzling jewel. Its brilliance is engineered facets act as mirrors, bouncing light in a spectacular display. Fire, the rainbow flashes, comes from precise angles, splitting light into its spectral colors. Scintillation, the dance of light and shadow, gives the gem its lively personality. This magic is the triumph of human design, not just nature. The polished diamond is a symbol of love, eternity, and achievement. Its perfection is measured, graded, and celebrated across cultures. The sparkle is luxury, a small object with immense meaning. Human creativity unlocked the diamond's hidden potential. We saw a vessel for light and taught it to dazzle. The polished diamond is a collaboration with nature, a celebration of what's possible. It is the ultimate dance of light, crafted by human hands. In its sparkle, we see both nature's gift and our own ingenuity. Choosing between a rough or polished diamond is deeply personal. Some are drawn to the raw, natural story of the rough stone, while others admire the brilliance and artistry of the polished gem. Today, many designs blend both, creating a dialogue between nature and craftsmanship. In the end, both forms are beautiful expressions of the same ancient wonder. From the fiery depths of Earth's mantle to the hands of a master cutter, rough diamonds are more than minerals. They're storytellers of creation, survival, and transformation. We've explored both faces of diamond beauty, the raw, untamed crystal and the dazzling brilliance of the polished gem. By embracing both, we discover a richer story, one of hidden beauty, potential, and the wonder within every stone. The lesson of rough diamonds is an invitation to see the world with new eyes, finding beauty in the raw, the subtle, and the imperfect. The untouched crystal, the weathered stone, the gnarled bark, all possess a beauty that is honest and true. There is beauty everywhere if we only learn how to see it.